Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European indices for the 31st of March. Don't normally do a video today, but I feel like I need to get on top of the Euro. So one of the things here is that we have a five-wave move down through this section here. So if that's going to be the case, then we would look for an A and a B and a C wave coming back into this box here. So this brings us at 5,600, but a little bit higher, 30 there, 5,630. If we get support on that level, then the market's going to push higher from that point. And then I would need to look at this particular count a little bit differently than I'm currently looking at now, and that's what I want to explain. So I've got this 4 and 5 sitting here as a possible low in this position here. It is possible to count 5 waves up here as 1 and 2 here, and then 3 to here, and then an A and a B and a C here for 4 and up for 5 here. So that's the way that I've counted it so far, as an A and a B and a C wave here, having this wave top here. But if this is breached here, if we get a support on 5,630 here, that means that the market is obviously going to be going to the upside from that point there, and that's going to put a different slant on this. So I would need to look at this possibly in a different way here. So I wanted to look at this here as wave 1 here. This is just an idea here that we're presenting, and this would also be in line with the DAX here. So wave 3 here, wave 4 over here, and then wave 5 moving in up here for this, and then having an A and a B and a C for the B wave, and then moving up from that point there. So with the FTSE here, I just want to point out that support on 5,630 would offer this particular count to the upside here. So we just need to be mindful of that. Otherwise, the market can just move to this level here and then fail from that point there. So it's just something that we need to work through, and just something I wanted to point out here. On the DAX here, I've changed the count to the same on our website in terms of the charts, where we're looking at this as wave 1 here. I've looked at the cash market here. This trades up okay on the physical market as wave 1 here, even though it's a bit dodgy in this area through here. So on the physical market, that's okay here with 1 and 2, and on the FTSE this made a new low here, but on here it's kept it. So we can look at this as wave 3 here, an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave here for wave 4. Once again, we need to climb higher here. We need to climb higher, at least above the 10,000. If that's the case here, then we've got a case for having wave 1 in play here and ABC for wave 2 here, because in the bigger picture with this here, on the daily chart here, we've got it as wave B here and wave C here, the same as the S&P 500. And I've had this as wave A here, but it can certainly also be wave 1 that we're heading into here as well at that point there. So just coming back to the hourly chart here. And this would be our long trades over here. So this would also be the classic trading levels pattern here that we're looking at in terms of a setup across that 10,000 there, which would be this pattern here. So if that's the 10,000 here, we've got the arrival, the reaction. We're looking for the first high above the level, and then we'd pull back, and then we can go long from that point. So that would be over here, the arrival, the reaction, the first high above the level, then the corrective move here. So for a longer term trade, we're looking at this as the possibility of it over here, but we need to go step by step. So we need to we need to finish this off here as wave 1 here and 2 here and 3 here and 4 here and 5 here. So we need this to finish off and then a drop back for that. And then that gives us our long trade over that side there. I don't know if I've updated the 15-minute chart on this. I'll just have a look. Yeah, a little bit here. So wave 3 here, an A wave, a B wave, a C wave here. And this is the same as the FTSE as well. You know, we really need to get from this high here down to this low here. We need to get, we're at the 61.8% at the moment. I can see that this is wave 1 and 2 here. And then this would be the third wave here with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here. So as far as I can see here, we would still need to have wave 4 that can pull back to the wave 4 of 1 lesser degree, and then wave 5 to the upside here. Then we'd still need wave 4 here. That would make this wave 3 here, and then this wave 4 here, and then we would still need to move up to wave 5 in here above wave 3 here, wave 4 here, wave 5 here. So I'll put it quite high here at the top of group 1 here, and then we will look for the A wave, the B wave, and the C wave here for wave B, but probably we're looking for wave 2 at this point. So this would be the setup on that level there. So these are just some of the things that I wanted to put out there. So we'll just see. It's not like I don't have any long trades in this, but this is where they will be over here. And of course, this here can also be wave 1 here as well. But we'll go step by step. But I'm just saying there's the classic trading levels here where we have the arrival, the reaction, the first high above the level, and then this move here. So that would be this picture here. So this is where our long trades will happen on the euro side of things. Alrighty, just a short update. Thank you.
Report unless it's done.
Really?
Just holding up some floats.